Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install WAMP server. Okay, so open the Chrome browser and type WAMP server and say download. Okay, so you can go for WAMP server download. Just click. So it will open the WAMP server. Okay, website and okay. So if you have 64-bit, just click here. If you have a 32 bits operating system, just click here. So this is for Windows, so click on this. So I have a 64-bit. Okay, so before downloading it, it should be necessary that it should have a distribution files of Visual Studio. If it is not there, just click here. Okay, and it will go to download that file if it is not there in your machine. So here say download, and I have a 64-bit, right? So just click here and say next, and it will download these files, and you have to install that files first before installing the WAMP server. So just click on this, say run, and say agree, say install, say yes. Okay, so it will install the Visual C++ redistribution files, which is necessary for WAMP server. So after finishing the redistribution file, close this. Okay, and you can continue the installation. Okay, so you can directly download the file. So it will start with shortly file. Okay, so this file will be downloaded. Okay, so WAMP server file is downloaded. Just click on this and it will say run. So it will start installing the WAMP server on Windows 10 now. Click on yes. Okay, so you can say okay, say accept, next. Okay, next. And this is the by default WAMP server directory. Okay, and you can say WAMP yes. Okay, default installation. So next, yes. Okay, so next, install. So it will take some time. So wait for the installation. It will prompt to choose the default browser for WAMP server. So do you want to choose another server? Say yes. So I will choose program files. Okay, then I will say Google. So Chrome I will select as a default browser. So open. Okay, text editor will be okay. So default text editor will be Notepad. Okay, fine. Okay, this will you prompt like this. So say click next and say finish. Okay. Okay, so this icon will be there. Okay. And just click, we can say start WAMP server. So yes, so it will start the WAMP server. You can see it is red color first. Okay, whenever successfully start, the color will change. So it is green, so it is started. So you can see. So this is the Apache server. Okay, started. Okay, so PHP MyAdmin, the version you can see, whatever which version you want to say, latest version you can select from here. MySQL is there. Okay, so console you can open from here. You can see the version. So 8.0 I have installed. Okay, so if you want to see the here, you can say go to the here. So it is a local host. Okay, right? You can see the PHP info, all the default settings from here. Okay, and PHP MyAdmin is there. Okay, so PHP MyAdmin you can go for MySQL. Okay, so this is how you can use the WAMP server. Okay, so and default files you have to put in www folders. Okay, right here. So you will create the folder and you can create the PHP files here. Okay, so I hope you learn how to install and how to use the WAMP server. Thank you very much.